Here it is, the Jordan 4 RMSP Grandma's Driveway. And wow, this sneaker is something else. Right off the bat, you can tell this isn't your traditional Jordan 4. This is a reworked, modernized version. The RM stands for remastered, and Nigel has put his BMX-inspired twist all over it. The first thing you'll notice is the unique mix of materials, premium suede, mesh, and leather, all coming together in a way that screams streetwear and high fashion at the same time. Let's take a closer look at the upper. The colorway is a mix of muted grays, off-whites, and beige tones, giving it that worn-in, rugged feel. The suede has a rough, distressed look, almost as if it's been through some serious sessions on a BMX bike. And if you know Nigel Sylvester, you know he's all about capturing that raw, authentic aesthetic. There's also mesh paneling on the sides and tongue, adding breathability while keeping the sneaker lightweight. Moving down to the midsole, we have a combination of classic Jordan 4 elements with some modern tweaks. The chunky, visible air unit is still here, giving you that signature comfort. But what really stands out is the outsole. There are some pre-scuffed, worn-in details that make it look like this shoe has already seen some action. It's that perfect balance between fresh and vintage. If you're looking for premium quality replica sneakers at unbeatable prices, RSNOW.net is the perfect destination. They offer a wide selection of the latest and most sought-after sneakers, including popular brands like Air Jordan, Nike, Balenciaga, Dior, and more. Whether you're after classic retros or exclusive collaborations, RSNOW.net provides top-tier craftsmanship, making it nearly impossible to tell the difference from retail pairs. We know that trust is everything when shopping online, and that's why RSNOW.net is verified on Trustpilot. You can find numerous positive reviews from satisfied customers who have received their sneakers in excellent condition. Transparency and customer satisfaction are a priority, ensuring you get exactly what you paid for, no surprises. Now, here's the best part, RSNOW UNBOX brings you an exclusive 15% off discount on your purchase. Simply use the code RSNOW at checkout to save big. Let's break it down. Original price, $158. After discount, only $134.30. That's a huge saving on top-tier sneakers, making your shopping experience even better. Don't miss this opportunity to grab your favorite pairs at a reduced price. RSNOW.net is backed by a professional and responsive support team that is always ready to assist you. Whether you have questions about sizing, shipping, or tracking your order, their customer service team provides quick and reliable support. Their goal is to make sure you have a smooth shopping experience from start to finish. RSNOW.net offers high-quality sneakers, verified customer reviews, and an unbeatable 15% discount with the code RSNOW. Don't wait, visit their website now, use the discount, and step up your sneaker game today.